What's up, everyone? Have you ever opened your trunk after one sharp turn and found grocery bags tipped over, bottles rolling around, and loose items scattered everywhere? It happens more often than most people realize. A good trunk organizer can make a huge difference by keeping groceries, emergency gear, cleaning supplies, sports equipment, and road trip essentials in one secure place. Today, we are counting down the top 6 best trunk organizers you can buy on Amazon. We are comparing storage capacity, stability, waterproofing, cooler features, pocket layouts, and overall value to help you find the right organizer for your car, SUV, or truck. All the links are in the description below, so let's get organized. On number 6, Sposuit Trunk Organizer for Car. Starting at number 6, the Sposuit Trunk Organizer is a great choice for drivers who want lots of smaller storage pockets without spending too much money. Its biggest advantage is the pocket layout. Along with its 2 main compartments, it includes several side pockets and mesh pockets for items like reusable bags, jumper cables, cleaning cloths, emergency supplies, snacks, and smaller tools. That makes it especially useful for people who hate digging through one large bin to find a single item. The organizer is made from durable Oxford fabric and includes reinforced handles so it can handle regular grocery runs and everyday cargo without losing its shape. It also has a non-slip bottom to help reduce movement in the trunk. Compared with larger organizers like the HEYTRIP or Jorindes, the Sposuit does not include tie-down straps, a lid, or an insulated cooler section. That means it is better for dry goods, vehicle gear, and general storage than transporting frozen food or hiding valuables in the trunk. Still, if your main priority is keeping lots of small items organized and easy to reach, the Sposuit gives you a very practical layout at a good value. On number 5, CLESOO Car Trunk Organizer with Lid. At number 5, the CLESOO Car Trunk Organizer is designed for drivers who want a more premium and protected storage setup. Unlike open-top organizers, this one includes a lid, which gives you extra privacy and helps protect your belongings from dust, sunlight, and unwanted attention when you park. It also uses a waterproof interior lining, making it a smart choice for groceries, cleaning supplies, wet gear, and anything that could spill. One of the standout features is the aluminum carrying handles, which feel stronger and more comfortable than standard fabric handles when the organizer is loaded with heavier items. The overall capacity is smaller than some of the larger options on this list, but the build quality makes up for it. Compared with the Sposuit, the CLESOO gives you better spill protection, a lid, and a more structured feel. However, it does not include a cooler bag, so it is not the best choice for long grocery trips with frozen or chilled items. If you want a clean, secure, leak-resistant organizer for everyday SUV or trunk use, the CLESOO is a strong, premium option. On number 4, Miyoo Color Trunk Organizer for SUV. Taking the number 4 spot, the Miyoo Color Trunk Organizer is the best choice for shoppers who want a large amount of storage space without paying for premium extras they may not need. It has multiple main compartments with removable dividers, allowing you to separate groceries, tools, cleaning supplies, pet accessories, and emergency gear. The reinforced base panels help it keep its shape even when loaded with heavier items, making it more reliable than many flimsy fabric organizers. It also folds down flat when you need your entire trunk for luggage, furniture, or larger cargo. Compared with the CLESOO, the Miyoo Color gives you more open storage space, but it does not have a lid or fully waterproof lining. That means it is better for dry goods and general cargo than liquids or messy groceries. The non-slip base helps keep it in place, but it does not offer the same level of security as organizers with tie-down straps. For drivers who want a large, simple, affordable organizer that can handle everyday clutter, the Miyoo Color is one of the best value picks. On number 3, HEYTRIP Large Trunk Organizer with Cooler Bag. At number 3, the HEYTRIP Large Trunk Organizer is built for big grocery runs, family road trips, camping gear, and anyone who needs serious cargo capacity. This organizer stands out because it combines multiple storage compartments with an insulated cooler bag, allowing you to keep frozen foods, drinks, or snacks cooler while the rest of your items stay organized. It has a large overall capacity, removable dividers, and strong support boards that help it stay upright when fully loaded. The included tie-down straps are a major advantage because they allow you to secure the organizer to your trunk, helping prevent it from sliding during turns or sudden stops. Compared with the MIUI color, the HEYTRIP offers more advanced features, including a lid, cooler bag, and stronger stability system. The trade-off is that it is larger and may take up more trunk space when fully expanded. It is also more focused on capacity and convenience than full waterproof protection. But for families, bulk shoppers, campers, and road trip drivers who want one organizer that can carry a lot while keeping chilled items separate, the HEYTRIP is a powerful option. On number 2, Farasla Waterproof Trunk Organizer with Insulated Cooler Bag. Taking the number 2 spot, the Farasla Waterproof Trunk Organizer is one of the best choices for drivers who care most about spill protection, stability, and versatility. It includes an insulated, leak-proof cooler bag, making it perfect for groceries, drinks, frozen foods, and long trips. But what really makes it stand out is the waterproof construction of the organizer itself. That gives you extra confidence when carrying cleaning products, wet gear, car fluids, groceries, or anything else that could leak. It also includes non-slip pads and securing straps, giving it a stronger anti-slide setup than organizers that only rely on a rubber base. The multiple compartments and external pockets make it easy to organize both large and small items, while the foldable lid keeps your trunk looking neat and private. Compared with the HEYTRIP, the Farasla may not offer the same massive overall capacity, but it gives you better protection against spills and wet cargo. If you want a secure, waterproof organizer that can handle groceries, road trips, and everyday messes without worrying about your trunk carpet, the Farasla is one of the strongest all-around choices. On number 1, Jorindes Trunk Organizer with built-in insulated cooler bag. Taking the number 1 spot, the Jorindes Trunk Organizer is the best overall choice because it brings together the most important features in one package. It includes multiple storage compartments, removable dividers, external pockets, a foldable lid, a leak-proof insulated cooler bag, and a strong stability system with non-slip pads and securing straps. That means it can handle everything from grocery runs and frozen foods to emergency gear, sports equipment, cleaning supplies, and road trip essentials. The rigid support panels help it maintain its shape when loaded, while the straps keep it from sliding around in the trunk. Compared with the HEYTRIP, the Jorindes may not have the same massive capacity, but it offers better all-around protection and organization. Compared with the Farasla, it provides a very similar waterproof and cooler-focused design, but its balanced layout and secure build make it more versatile for most drivers. If you want one trunk organizer that can do almost everything, keep groceries stable, protect your trunk from spills, keep chilled items separate, and reduce clutter, the Jorindes is the best overall pick. Final verdict. If you need lots of pockets for smaller items, the Sposuit is a great budget-friendly choice. If you want a lid, waterproof lining, and premium handles, the CLESOO is a strong option. The MIUI color is perfect for drivers who want large, basic storage at a good price. For maximum capacity and an integrated cooler bag, the HEYTRIP is a great pick for families and bulk shoppers. The Farasla is ideal if waterproofing and anti-slide stability are your top priorities. But for the best combination of storage, cooling, stability, waterproofing, and everyday usefulness, the Jorindes Trunk Organizer takes the top spot. If this video helped you find the right trunk organizer, hit the like button, subscribe for more useful car accessories and automotive gear reviews, And comment below with the one thing that always rolls around in your trunk. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.